The backyard bird. One quiet morning, a tiny bird sat on the window. He was very small, with soft brown feathers and little feet that held tight to the sill. He wasn't bright or colorful. He was just a sparrow. Mia decided to name him Chip. One day, Mia saw that Chip was hopping instead of flying. His wing wasn't hurt, just tired. Mia remembered what her grandma taught her. Help, but don't scare. So she left water and crumbs and waited. Every day, Chip grew a little stronger. Mia talked to him while she did her homework. One morning, the fence was empty. Mia felt a little sad. Then she heard a flutter. Chip flew up into the tree, strong and fast. Sometimes Mia still saw Chip. Sometimes she didn't, but she knew he was out there, flying just fine in the real world.